can be really hard supporting your child at home with maths, especially when it feels like everything has changed. New language, new methods, suddenly we're now using manipulatives. In this series of videos, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can help your child at home on their maths journey.
In this video, I'm going to focus on some key vocabulary for fractions to get you started. A great way of introducing fractions to younger children is through everyday life. For example, with food, we seem to like to use cake and pizza a lot. Your child will need to understand that a fraction is showing a part of a whole. For example, this pizza is made up of 8 equal slices, or equal parts, so the whole is made up of 8 parts. Let's say we get given 1 slice or part. It's a bit stingy, but we'll go with it. We've been given 1/8 of that pizza. Your child will need to know what this looks like and how to write it. So 1/8. Using the words whole and parts will be really helpful to aid your child's understanding. In the lower years, children will be experimenting with unit fractions. This means only one part of the whole, for example 1/8. As your child progresses further through the school, they will be expected to work with non-unit fractions. This means more than one part of the whole. Using this pizza as an example, the whole still has 8 parts, but let's say instead of 1 slice we have 3 slices, so we have 3/8. This is a non-unit fraction because the top number is bigger than 1. I hope you're still with me. It can seem overly confusing at times. Your child will also need to know the official names of the numbers in the fraction. So the top number is the numerator, and this tells you how many parts you have. The bottom number is the denominator, and that tells you how many parts the whole has. As your child becomes more familiar with the vocabulary, the deeper their understanding will be. So just a quick recap of the key vocabulary: part and whole, unit and non-unit fractions, and then numerator and denominator. So there you have it, a whistle-stop tour of some of the key vocabulary used when teaching fractions. I'll be posting more videos on fractions as well as other areas of the primary curriculum.
I hope that was useful. If it was, please like, please subscribe for more videos on supporting parents with home learning.